they hold very well. They're in some of our fastest Delco 4R100s. Hey, Eric with A1 Transmission again. We're going to talk 4R100 overdrive stuff today. We're going to start with our visual down here on the left. We got stock pressure plate and stock clutch count. 3 clutches, 3 steels in your overdrive, just to give us, hey, this is our starting point. This is what your normal 4R100's got it in it straight from the factory. What do we do at A1? Your stage 1 and 2 units. You get a modified pressure plate cut in house here, and we move to 4 frictions and 4 steels and their GPZ friction. Now, before I move on to my next stage here, we'll talk I don't like the pin numbers thing, but we're going to talk just a second about adding the extra steel and friction and how much more hold capacity does that give you. I don't like numbers, but we'll throw an arbitrary number to it in the 10 to 15% range that you're going to pick up in hold capacity, as well as you could throw another 10% on it for your improved friction material itself. Just to give kind of an idea how much you're picking up in hold capacity when you add clutches into a particular position in a unit. But there's a lot of different variables that affect that. That's why I'm not too keen on the numbers. But we just want to mention that very quickly. We'll move down here to our stage 3. You got the same pressure plate still, but now, and you're still at 4, but you've moved up to the blue plates. Ray Bestis, that is. Blue plate is very aggressive, and they hold very well. They're in some of our fastest stuff with 4R100s. Now, before we leave the stage 3 through one area, we're going to talk about the PTO. Your PTO unit is a special unit. So you got a gear up there on the coast drum with it, and it requires it to be cut flat. You can see that it is still the same thickness as the previous pressure plate, but it's got to be cut flat for interference. That's the difference between your PTO unit and your regular unit. And we come down here to the old granddaddy stage 5. Stage 5 adds another friction and steel, and we're still talking blue plates. How is this accomplished? Because I know you don't see anything else on the table here. It's accomplished through case modification, piston modification, as well as a different plate modification. That's as far as, we'll talk on that, but we'd be more than happy to sell you one. You can take it apart and see how we did it and void your warranty. But that covers overdrive in the 4R100 the A1 way. We appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next one.